Welcome to Hong Kong, a city where East meets West, where tradition blends with cutting-edge innovation. Whether it's the dazzling skyline or the bustling street markets, this city has a story to tell. Let's dive into what makes Hong Kong one of the world's most iconic destinations. Hong Kong's story begins long before the skyscrapers. In 1840, the start of thrived as a strategic port and trading hub under British rule. But in 1997, the city entered a new chapter. The historic handover from Britain to China marked the beginning of Hong Kong's status as a special administrative region under the principle of one country, two systems. Today, Hong Kong is a global financial powerhouse, ranked as one of the world's freest economies. Its towering skyscrapers and high-tech infrastructure symbolize its modern success. The city is home to some of the world's largest banks, and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange is one of the biggest financial markets. But beyond the business, Hong Kong's streets are alive with culture. It's a blend of old and new, with cutting-edge technology side by side with ancient traditions. Speaking of traditions, Hong Kong's rich cultural heritage is one of its most captivating features. Visit a Taoist temple and you'll find incense burning as prayers are offered. Explore the vibrant street markets and you'll experience the local way of life, bargaining for everything from fresh produce to unique souvenirs. Annual festivals like the Chinese New Year Mid-Autumn Festival and Dragon Boat Festival reflect the city's deep-rooted Chinese heritage. Yet, you can also find traces of its colonial past in everything from architecture to afternoon tea traditions. Now, let's talk about something we can all appreciate: food. Hong Kong is a culinary paradise. It's famous for dim sum, with dishes like dumplings, pork buns, and egg tarts that will leave your taste buds tingling. For those looking for something quick, the street food scene is unbeatable. Try egg waffles, fish bowls, or stinky tofu if you're feeling adventurous. But if fine dining is more your style, Hong Kong boasts some of the world's top Michelin-starred restaurants. Beyond the hustle and bustle, Hong Kong also has stunning natural landscapes. Victoria Peak offers one of the most breathtaking views of the city's skyline and harbor, especially at sunset. Hop on the Star Ferry and you'll see the city from a whole new perspective, or take a day trip to one of Hong Kong's outlying islands like Lantau or Lama, where you can hike, relax on the beach, and experience the quieter side of this dynamic city. As Hong Kong continues to evolve, it faces both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, it's a hub for innovation and technology, with startups thriving alongside